Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our warm and friendly English learning podcast. We are so happy you are here with us today. This is a calm and safe place where you can learn English slowly, comfortably, and with confidence.
Hello, Jessica, and hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. My name is David. Thank you so much for joining us today. It really means a lot to us.
Yes, it really does. Wherever you are right now, at home, at work, on the bus, or maybe relaxing with a cup of tea, we are glad you are here.
Please remember, you don't need to be perfect. You don't need to understand every word. Just listen, relax, and enjoy the conversation.
Learning English should feel friendly, not stressful. So take a deep breath, smile a little, and let's begin together. Before we start today's episode, we have a small and friendly request.
If you enjoy our podcast and feel it helps you, please subscribe to our channel.
And if you like this episode, please click the like button and share it with someone who is learning English.
Your support helps us grow and helps more learners feel confident.
Thank you so much. Okay, David, are you ready for today's topic?
Yes, I am ready. And this is a very useful topic.
Today's topic is something we talk about every day in real life. It is very common, very natural, and very useful. We use this topic with people we know and people we meet for the first time.
Yes, people ask this question all the time. They ask it in a friendly way. They ask it to start a conversation and to show care. It is not a test. It is just normal daily English.
Today's topic is talk about your day. This is a small sentence, but it is very powerful. When someone asks this, they want to know how your day was.
Ah, yes, a very common and very friendly topic. You hear it in many places and many situations. At home, at school, at work, even on the phone or in a message.
People ask, how was your day? Or how was your day today? Sometimes they also say, how was your day at work? All of these questions mean the same thing.
They ask this at school, at work, with friends, and with family. Teachers ask students. Friends ask friends. Parents ask children. It is a kind and caring question.
But many English learners think, what should I say? How do I explain my day? They feel nervous and shy. They think they need long sentences.
Don't worry. Today we will make it easy and comfortable. You do not need perfect English. You do not need many words.
No big words, no fast talking, just simple English and real examples. Step by step, you will feel more confident talking about your day. Let's start at the beginning of the day. This is the first part of your story. Morning is very important because it sets the mood for the whole day.
Yes, the morning. Some mornings are calm and quiet. Some mornings are busy and fast. Both are normal.
You can start by saying how your day began. You do not need many details. Just one or two simple sentences are perfect.
For example, you can say, I woke up early, or I woke up late. You can also add one small feeling like happy or tired.
David, how did your day start today?
Well, today I woke up early. My alarm rang at 7 a.m. I opened my eyes and thought, already? I wanted to sleep more, but my coffee was calling me from the kitchen.
Coffee is very powerful in the morning. It feels like a friend saying, wake up, I am here for you.
Yes, it really does. I stood up, stretched a little, and smiled. Then I started my day slowly.
Nice. Today I woke up a little late. I looked at the clock and said, oh no. My day started with a little panic.
That happens to all of us. You are not alone.
Yes. Then I quickly got ready and started my day. Not perfect, but it was okay. Now let's talk about what you do in the morning. These are small daily actions, simple things.
You can say simple sentences like, I took a shower. I had breakfast. I went to work. No long story needed.
David, what did you do in the morning?
I took a shower. The water helped me wake up. Then I dried my hair and got dressed.
That sounds refreshing.
After that, I ate toast and eggs. It was a simple breakfast. Nothing fancy, but very filling.
Simple food is good food.
Yes, then I went to work. I walked outside and felt the fresh air that made me feel ready for the day.
Very nice. What about you, David? I will talk about my morning.
Ha ha, go ahead.
I had tea instead of coffee today. It was warm and relaxing. I ate some fruit and sat quietly for a few minutes.
That sounds calm and healthy.
I try, but some mornings are not so calm. Sometimes my mind wakes up before my body. Now, let's talk about work or school. This is a big part of many people's day.
Yes, most people spend many hours working or studying, so it is a very common topic.
You can say simple sentences like, I went to work, I went to school, I studied at home.
You can also say how you felt: busy, happy, tired.
David, what did you do during the day?
Today I taught English classes. I sat at my desk and talked to students online. They were from different countries.
That sounds interesting. Different people, different stories.
Yes, I really enjoyed it. My students were kind and friendly. They smiled and tried their best.
That must feel very good.
It does. It gives me energy.
Today I worked on my computer. I wrote emails and worked on projects. I had 2 meetings.
Only 2? That's not too bad.
One meeting was short. The other meeting was long. Very long.
Long meetings are part of life.
Yes, I listened, took notes, and thought about lunch. Now let's talk about lunch. Food is always a good topic. Everyone eats lunch in their own way.
Yes, lunch can be quick or slow at home or outside.
You can say, I ate lunch at home. Or, I ate lunch at work. Very simple.
Jessica, what did you eat for lunch?
I ate rice and vegetables. It was warm and comforting. I ate slowly and relaxed for a bit.
Nice. That sounds healthy and tasty.
It was. After lunch, I felt more calm and ready to work again.
I ate a sandwich and an apple. It was quick but good. I ate at my desk and drank some water.
Healthy choice.
I try. But sometimes I eat pizza or burgers.
Pizza days are happy days, and that's okay too.
Yes, balance is important.
Now let's talk about the afternoon. This part of the day comes after lunch. For many people, the afternoon feels slow and quiet.
Yes, in the afternoon, people often feel tired. The energy from the morning is gone. Your body wants rest, but work continues.
That's right. You can say very simple things. For example, I felt tired. I drank coffee. I continued working. These sentences are easy and natural.
In the afternoon, I answered emails and prepared lessons. I sat at my desk and focused on my screen. Sometimes my eyes felt tired.
Well, that sounds busy. Did you take a short break?
Yes, I did. I stood up, stretched my arms, and drank some water. Then I felt a little better and continued working.
That is a good habit. In the afternoon, I finished my work slowly. I checked my tasks one by one.
That sounds organized. That's good.
After work, I cleaned my room a little. Not everything, just a little. I moved some books and made my bed.
Cleaning feels nice after.
Yes, but starting is hard. Once you start, it feels easier. Now let's talk about the evening. The evening is a softer time of the day. The sun goes down and the day slows.
Yes, the evening is for rest. It is a time to relax and breathe.
You can say simple things like, I went home. I cooked dinner. I watched TV. These are very common sentences.
Jessica, what did you do in the evening?
I went home and cooked dinner. I made something simple and warm. Then I sat down and watched a comedy show.
That sounds fun.
It was. I laughed a lot. Laughing helped me forget my busy day.
That's great. Laughing is good for the heart.
What about you, David?
In the evening, I went for a walk. The air was cool and quiet. Then I listened to music and relaxed at home.
That sounds peaceful. Evenings like that are very nice. Now let's talk about how you felt today. Feelings are a big part of your day.
Yes, this is very important. You do not need many words to talk about feelings.
You can say simple sentences like, my day was good. My day was busy. My day was tiring. That is enough.
Jessica, how was your day?
My day was busy, but good. I felt tired in the afternoon, but happy in the evening. Some days are like that.
That's a nice feeling. Busy but happy is good.
Yes. What about you?
My day was calm and productive. I did many small things and they went well. That made me feel satisfied.
Simple words are enough. You do not need long sentences.
Your feelings matter and simple English can express them.
You can also talk about what you liked in your day. This makes your story more personal.
And you can talk about what you didn't like. That is normal too.
For example, you can say, I liked my lunch. I didn't like the traffic. Very easy sentences.
Today, I like teaching my students. They were kind and active. I felt happy during my classes,
That's wonderful.
but I didn't like waking up early. My bed was very warm.
That feeling is very real.
What about you, Jessica?
I liked watching my comedy show. It made me laugh and relax.
And what didn't you like?
I didn't like my long meeting. It felt slow and tiring.
Meetings again? Some things never change.
Yes, but talking about them in English makes it easier. Now let's imagine a real situation from daily life. Something very normal, something that happens almost every day.
Yes, you meet a friend after work or school, maybe outside, maybe on the phone, maybe in a message.
Your friend smiles and says, How was your day? The voice is friendly. They really want to know.
You do not need to panic. You do not need to think too much. You can answer in a simple and relaxed way.
You can say, It was good. I worked and had a nice dinner. That is a perfect answer. Short, clear, natural.
Or maybe your day was busy. You can say, It was busy, but okay. This sounds very real.
Now imagine another situation. You are at work. A coworker asks, How was your day today?
You can smile and say, It was busy, but fine. Or, It was a long day.
That's enough. You do not need a long story. Just a few simple sentences are perfect.
English is about connection, not perfection.
Now let's recap together, slowly and calmly. This helps you remember and feel confident.
To talk about your day, you can talk about small parts.
You can talk about how your day started. For example, waking up early or late.
One part at a time. You can talk about what you did in the morning, breakfast, work, school.
You can talk about what you did at work or school, meetings, classes, simple tasks.
You can talk about what you ate, lunch or dinner. Simple food is okay.
You can talk about what you did in the evening, watching TV, walking, resting.
And you can talk about how you felt. Good, busy, tired, happy.
Choose what feels comfortable for you. You don't need to say everything.
Simple English is good English. Always remember that.
Now it's your turn. Yes, you.
Take a small moment and think about your day.
Then go to the comment section below.
Write 2 or 3 simple sentences about your day.
For example, today was good. I went to work. I watched TV in the evening.
Or, my day was busy. I studied in the morning. I felt tired but happy.
There is no right or wrong, just practice.
We would love to read your comments, and we read them with a smile.
Thank you so much for listening today. We are really happy you are here with us.
You are doing an amazing job. Learning a new language is not easy.
Be proud of yourself. Even small steps are important.
Practice a little every day. Even 5 minutes helps.
Don't be afraid to speak. Mistakes are part of learning.
English is not scary. It is friendly.
It helps us share our life and our day.
And we are very happy to learn with you.
We will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone. Take care, stay relaxed, and keep practicing your English.